How to get discount codes on Too Good To Go application. Hello everybody. To potentially get discount code for Too Good To Go app, you can follow up these steps. So open up the application first and users can participate in in-app voucher hunts, referral programs, and social media contests. So in this application, Too Good To Go occasionally runs in-app voucher hunts. So you can look out for the voucher hunts available and uh, users can find hidden vouchers within the application. For example, the July voucher hunt, you can just go look out for those. Otherwise, you can use the referral program. So, Too Good To Go has a referral program available. You can just go ahead and refer this application or this program to your friends where users can earn rewards by referring them to a new business platform. So you can basically look out for this invite your friends section or this recommended store option, something like this, and just go ahead and get discount codes on Too Good To Go application like this. Apart from that, we have social media contest. Too Good To Go occasionally hosts contests on social media platforms. You can basically follow them on Instagram or any other social media and comment in a post mentioning the recipe, a recent pickup, and a friend, and fulfill other requirements to potentially win. And that is it. Apart from that, partner stores who refer new business can receive various incentives, such as one-time referral fee, a temporary waiver of the TZTZ bag fee. These incentives are often tied to specific eligibility criteria. Look out for those for the referred business, such as being new independent business within the same country. And that's it. These are some of the methods you can follow up if you'd like to get discount codes on Too Good To Go application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.